on an adventure. So we are on our way right now to Disney World on Lucas's second trip. Are you excited, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's really having to go. So we're driving this time from Nashville all the way to Orlando. This is the first time we're doing this, but we're just trying something new, and we're gonna go ahead and film some of the process and tell you guys how easy or hard it is to get from Nashville to to Orlando.
So yeah, we're gonna make our first part of the trip over just past Atlanta, Georgia, and stay the night over there. So we'll take you guys on this ride. And he's ready for the camera. So we'll take you guys along on this ride, show you our hotel and our Airbnb and all of those fun things as we make our way over to Orlando. Yeah. Good morning. So it's the next day. We got to the hotel really late, like at midnight with the time change. So we didn't get a chance to show you our hotel. So I'm going to show it to you real quick before we head out. So it is a little bit of a mess, but we try to clean it up as we're going. But it was a really nice room, and they had everything ready for us. Our keys were ready as soon as we got here because we called ahead and told them we were coming in late. So we are staying at the Hampton Inn in Warner Robins. It's about an hour and 20 minutes outside of Atlanta. We wanted to get a little bit outside of that city just because the hotels were a little bit cheaper. You don't have to pay for parking, little things like that. And we're a little bit closer to where we're trying to go. So yeah, this hotel actually worked out really well for us. So right when you walk in, there is a bathroom over to the left. We'll go and look at that next. But we did get a king-size bed. It was really nice. It was really soft. And then we also got a sofa couch. So where the boys are sitting right there, that completely pulled out. And that's where Lucas slept last night. And they had a couple tables. So there's like a desk over there. And there's another desk on this side. And they do have some more storage. So you have a microwave down here. There's like extra shelving down there if you have more food. And they did have a refrigerator also. So I think it was a pretty good size room. I mean, we're only here for the night, but I think it worked out well for us. I liked that they had all these photos on the walls that were aviation themed. The goggles remind us of Carl and Ellie from Up. So it's kind of like we had some sort of Disney theme in here. You also have a good sized closet in here with some hangers and an ironing board, all the usual stuff. A really large mirror, so you have a full-length mirror. And then here's the bathroom. The bathroom was actually really nice. It's really large. You had a lot of space in between, so I wasn't worried about Lucas kind of running around a little bit. The shower was really good too. Really big shower, great water pressure and all of that stuff. But they do have all Neutrogena products in there and a bunch of extra towels and things like that. Well, Lucas is enjoying a little bit of breakfast that they had here at the hotel. What do you have there, buddy?
Muffin and eggs and meat.
And meat? Do you have some sausage? They look almost like little hot dogs, but some sausage, eggs, and muffins, and some milk, huh?
Yeah.
Are you ready to continue our adventure today?
Yeah.
We got a lot more driving to do.
What's that here?
That's the camera. Say hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
You see all the hearts?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just wanted to show you the inside of the lobby real quick. So that's the check-in desk. They have a little market, coffee, and then they have all this sitting area on this side. And their decorations are so cute because they have Christmas trees, but they're all Valentine's Day themed since it's the week of Valentine's. You could see even on the tabletop they have such cute decorations. And then there's their other big tree over there, all Valentine's theme. So they also have a gym on that side. And then they have a whole indoor pool. You can see a little bit of the gym back there too. So here's from the outside of the building. It was a nice hotel. We liked it. Right across the street there is a Kroger with a Starbucks and a McDonald's. So that's definitely helpful. But they also served breakfast too. I just didn't get it on time.
Officially in Florida. We just drove in.
I thought there was like palm trees. Right?
Yeah, there was a bunch of palm, like there's more palm trees right there. I haven't seen those since LA.
We have officially drove almost across the entire country.
Yeah, we just need to go north.
Together. Like, yeah, we have to go up north and stuff, but we went from California to Tennessee and then Tennessee down to Florida. So we've driven almost across the entire country. Yeah. That's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool. This is definitely the furthest we've been out, for sure. And we've
we've flown, but we've never driven.
Yeah, we've never driven. And this is the first time we've driven, and we did it on the same car too.
Yeah.
So this is neat. I'm very, very excited about that. So we made it here, and this is the place we're staying at. This is the outside of the apartments here, and they're condos. We're staying here, and we'll show you the inside in just a few. But we got a nice lake view, which is really pretty. I'm not getting too close to that. There might be alligators or something in there, but we got these big, like, haunted mansion-like trees out here that are really cool. I'm really digging that. And it's just a beautiful day. It's 80 degrees outside. Gated community. We have our parking. We have 3 bedrooms to ourselves. And it was cheaper. It was way cheaper to do this than to stay at a Disney resort. We would have gotten so much less. So we're gonna give it a try. This is our first time staying out of the Disney bubble, but I think we could do it.
Well, we made it to our Airbnb, and it's a really nice little gated community. They had some pools as we were driving up, so I'll try to see if we could get that to show you as well. And a little bit of a couple of actual playgrounds for Lucas too, so we're excited to take him over there when we get some downtime also. So I'm gonna just show you guys our Airbnb. We decided to stay off the Disney property, out of the Disney bubble this time because we were driving. We had a little bit more flexibility. We had our car to get to and from everywhere that we needed to go, and we wanted to try Airbnb and just see how it is with a rental and having a little bit more space, a whole kitchen, all of those good things. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what we got. Right when you enter, you are right into the living space. So they have a really big couch over here and a large TV. The natural light coming through is perfect right now. It's really pretty outside. We got a huge dining room table and a kitchen over here. And we have everything that we would need to cook or do anything else that we need to do here. But one thing I wanted to say was really sweet is that the owner actually had a little thank you note and a bottle of wine for us. So that's an extra touch that we really appreciate. Now this is the master bedroom over here, and I like the little accents of the lights. That one doesn't go on. I think I gotta flip the switch over there, but you have a king-size bed, a full mirror over there, your own TV, a little munchkin running around, and then here's the master bathroom. So we just noticed how large this is. You could see him twirling around in there. And you have a full shower with a tub.
And down here is a bath.
Yeah, that's the bathtub, huh?
Yeah, the bathtub. Everyone's bathtub.
Are you so excited to be here? Yeah, we're going to Disney World. Okay, Okay, and then we have the 2 sinks and a really large closet, so we could actually unpack some of our stuff over there too. There's a lot of seating areas around here too, so it's good if you have a larger group. It's only the 3 of us, but we found this place and it does have a whole upstairs area with 2 additional bedrooms. This is the second larger bedroom and it has a queen size bed. Still a lot of space all around there. You have your own TV and dresser and closet over there. We got a full-length mirror, and like I said, there's a lot of space here, so you could still put all of your luggage down and it not be in your way like you would be in a hotel. And this is the kids' bedroom, so it's 2 twin beds with minis on it. So like I said, this is a good area if you have a couple of people with you and a couple of kids. Again, they give you a full dresser and TV and your closet and your full-length mirror. There is a full bathroom upstairs too, with the double sinks and a large shower with tub in here. So that's just great for having Lucas here. But another great perk is that they have a whole washer and dryer system in here, so we could definitely do some laundry and get our clothes clean while we're here too.
That's an alligator in here.
There's an alligator in there?
Yeah.
Are there alligators all over Florida?
And here?
In there? I don't think there's one in there.
Maybe in here?
No.
Maybe in here?
So he's been cooped up in the car for quite some time now, so he's very excited to be running around.
And we would see the volcano.
Yeah, you saw a volcano on the way here, huh?
Yeah, is the alligator in here?
No, there shouldn't be any alligators in there, baby. It's definitely a really large space, and we do like it. I'm excited to kind of stay here. The only concern that I see so far is, first of all, Lucas keeps going up and down those stairs, which is fine. He's okay. But if he's gonna sleep up there, it does feel a little further from the master. And with him being by himself up there, I'm not sure we're gonna keep him up there. We might have him just sleep down here on the couch. So we'll see how it goes tonight. I know he's used to sleeping next to us or right in the next room. So we'll see how he does. But yeah, we're excited to stay here and to see how it is. It looks like it's only about 10 to 15 minutes from the park, so it'll be very convenient for us. The other thing I wanted to mention was that staying at an Airbnb is significantly cheaper option than staying at a Disney resort. So that's a good thing if you're trying to be a little bit more cost effective, is to look into staying at an Airbnb instead, and you can see the amount of space that we get instead of being in one small hotel room. So we're kind of excited to see if this works out for us. I know it's kind of outside the Disney bubble, but with having your own car and transportation, it seems like it might be a better option if you're a small family.
There is a playground there that we're gonna go check out. So they have a basketball and pool over there. I mean volleyball, and they have a pool over there too. Nice little water fountain here. Yeah, water fountain. And there's a pool over there. I don't know if you can see the pool over there. Oh, he didn't want to say hi. Cool, huh? Look, here's another one. This is the pool area here. They got a little like area, kind of like 0 to, or like a beach pool, beach entrance pool. You got a nice little shower head there for Lucas. I don't know. You want to go in the water? Well, we gotta go get some shorts. You wanna get some shorts?
Not you.
Oh.
Too big for that.
Oh, I'm too big for that?
Yeah.
What about you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Alright, well, let's go to the playground and then we'll come back, okay? So this is the playground they have here. You gonna climb it? You can do it.
so small.
No, you're not. Come on. Put your other foot right here. Put your other foot right there. Told you could do it.
Right here? I'm here?
Sure.
I did it.
Good job.
Go down here.
Now get down on the slide.
Look at this.
Careful. There you go. Now go down the slide. Oh, you're strong like Hulk? Strong like Lisa? Go! Whoa! You okay?
Yeah.
Look, Lucas. You see that?
We're going there?
What does it say?
Disney World.
Yeah, it
we
is.
made it to Disney World.
I need my Mermaid.
We are heading over to dinner in Frontera Cocina. The inside of the restaurant is really pretty. We actually really do like this decor. The only negative that we're noticing so far was that the menu was a bit limited on what you could choose. But let me show you what we got.
For appetizer, we got the queso fundido, which is melted cheese with chorizo and some sauteed onions. It comes with some tortillas for you to share and make tacos. For Lucas, we got the quesadilla with rice and carrots. And Rebecca ended up getting the steak tacos. So this is steak tacos with tortillas, guacamole, and beans. I got something that's called a cochinita pibil, which is a slow roasted pork. It comes with pickled slaw and beans underneath it, and some more tortillas as well to make some tacos. We are now going to enjoy our entrees after a very long day of traveling. We definitely enjoyed the queso fundido. Highly recommend it. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like for many more.